it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with God himself, David Brooks, Mavado, with Louie V. Production is DJ Frass production on the party bus rhythm. So big up Frass. I think I reacted like this is the third song reacting to Panda rhythm, yeah, I think. So big up yourself, Frass. Let's jump in the one and hear what the G say. As you can hear from my voice and my eyes, them if you can see them, me not 200, you see me? Me not feel 200, but me there I try make a speedy recovery still, but you don't know so the work have to go on. So let's jump in the one and hear what the G say, man.
Let's go!
Hey, Frost!
Hey!
They know that anytime Frost and Mavado link up, it's magical.
Shut them out when you're talking your shit. Me money enough and it hard for match it. A millions and me now fi wash it. The party a full of beer killer. Bad bitches and beer killer. Fuck up the club, chive gone on me bed. A Louie V man and we a killer. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again.
But start off and say, yo, shut your mouth when you're talking your shit, brother. You're capping. Could go again, though. Make it go again. Let's go again.
Hey.
Golly God. Big up. Respect for this video, Golly God. We appreciate it.
Shut your mouth when you're talking your shit.
Move.
Me money enough and it hard for match it. A millions and me now fi wash it.
A millions and me now fi wash it. You know what that mean? It means that money clean. Him getting money through good means. You see me? Him never do nothing fumble double for getting money. He never do nothing illegal for getting money. His money done clean already. And a millions. Yeah.
Me money enough and it hard for match it.
Hard to match it.
A millions and me now fi wash it. The party a full of beer killer. Bad bitches and beer killer. Fuck up the club, chive gone on me bed. A Louie V man and we a killer.
But I say him fuck up the club and just jump out that club. Boom, jump in that car. Boom, drive gone in bed. Nothing to worry about. Just another day in the office. Just another day in the office for the Golly God. What you say, man?
A millions and me now fi wash it.
When they carry them in that background,
the
though.
party a full of beer killer.
And the girls, them.
Bad bitches and beer killer. Fuck up the club, chive gone on me bed. A Louie V man and we a killer. Girl, them a shaking you. Money enough like a safe in you. Top baller, straight winner. Slap your girl with 100 pack. And I that them a hate me for sin.
Slap your girl with 100 pack. Hey, mama, hey, moms. Come here. You're my one for the night. 100 pack in your hand, mama. Jeez. A damn life that the boss I live and a damn life that them eat him for. We are
pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again.
Hey!
We are on the one again, dog. Ready again.
Shut them out when you're talking your shit.
Move.
Me money enough
And it hard to match it. Yeah.
A millions and me now fi wash it. The party a full of beer killer. Bad bitches and beer killer. Fuck up the club, chive gone on me bed. A Louie V man and we a killer. Girl, them a shaking you. Money enough like a safe in you. Top baller, straight winner. Slap your girl with 100 pack. And I that them a hate me for sing to the ballers, sing to the cool. Make money right now and live some life. Can't take in your tomb.
You want to get one life. What is money if you're not enjoy your hobbies? What is money if you're not living a good life if you have the money? What is money? It's nothing. Use the money and live your life, my G. You know? Fan too hard. Turn on the fan a little bit. Use the money and make yourself happy.
I hate me for sing to the ballers, sing to the cool. Make money right now and live some life. Can't take in your tomb. You girl love man, me ambitious, so me not talk them and say me sweet like citrus.
Girl love man, me ambitious, so me not talk them say me sweet like citrus. Citrus fruit.
Right now, I live some life, can't take in your tomb. Your girl love man, me ambitious, so me not talk. Them a say me sweet like citrus. Me start off like a broadcast and pick up. Me floss out, now a hot sauce, she a lick up. A pop, man vicious, so me stay in me lane, I drive and switch up. Ask champion boy, the thing lit up.
Bumbo clot. Me stay in my lane, me not switch up. I ask champion boy. If you know him, I talk about champion, me are the champion boy. Who a champion boy? Who a champion boy? Well, I know my song gone.
Vicious, so me stay in my lane, I drive and switch up. Ask champion boy, the thing lit up. That league your heart for them keep up.
Big up Alkaline. Alkaline, him just big up this a while ago, you know. Ask champion boy. The thing, you see me, them can't keep up with the thing, brother. Levels up, the man I say.
That league your heart for them keep up. Be a killer. Bad bitches and bad choices. Make money right now and live some life. Can't take in your too. Your girl love man, me ambitious, so me not talk. Them a say me sweet like citrus.
Yeah.
Me start off like a broadcast and pick up. Me floss out, now a hot sauce, she a lick up.
Yeah.
A pop, man vicious, so me stay in me lane, I drive and switch up. Ask champion boy, the thing lit up. That league your heart for them keep up. Be a killer. Bad bitches and be a killer. Fuck up your club, drive gone on me bed. Louie V, man, and we a killer. The girl them a shaking you. Money enough like a safe in you. Top baller, straight winner. Slap a girl with 100 pop. And I that them a hate the them boy, they don't know quote. Them a smoke coke. It's an international player with the passport.
Jeez. Second verse we know. Them boy, they don't know code. Them just a smoke coke.
Winner. Slap a girl with 100 pop. And I that them a hate them boy, they don't know quote. Them a smoke coke. It's an international player with the passport.
Yeah.
Me make the money go up. Float some paper. Broad like the British them know. They a shot the thing.
Make the paper broad like the British them know. They know the British know them broad. The pounds, the sterlings. You know them broad like a sheet on bed, right?
I don't know quote. Them a smoke coke. It's an international player with the passport. Me make the money go up. Float some paper. Broad like the British them know. They a shot the thing shot. Me don't touch a goal pole. Me too cold. Me left at broad like the British them know. They a shot the thing shot. Me don't touch a goal pole. Me too cold. Me left at deep pole in the whole zone.
Me a shot the thing shot. Me don't touch the goal post. So I'm tell you say, yo, anytime him goes a boom and shoot, him a connect. Yeah, good goal post. No.
Me make the money go up. Float some paper. Broad like the British them know. They a shot the thing shot. Me don't touch a goal pole. Me too cold. Me left at deep pole in the whole zone.
Yeah.
Deep down in them throat hole. You don't see the wall of them a rass hole.
Hey!
They a shot the thing shot. Me don't touch a goal pole. Me too cold. Me left at deep pole in the whole zone. Deep down.
Them have to hide my name deep down in them throat.
Me don't touch a goal pole. Me too cold. Me left at deep pole in the whole zone.
Yeah.
Deep down in them throat hole. You don't see the wall of them a rass hole. No size with the top.
You don't see the whole of them a rasshole. Eh? You don't see the whole of them a pussy. The whole of them a rasshole. Eh? Ease up off of my name, man. You have to hide my name down in your throat hole. You hear G tell you?
Deep down in them throat hole.
Yeah.
You don't see the wall of them a rasshole. No size with the tan. If you know what me know. I your girl, no could know what we know. I have husband.
Don't size with it done if you know what me know. And your girl make you know what we know. So, after I'm done slam your girl get comfortable and I give the G pillar talk and the girl talk about you. The girl talk about you. Him just there born and sleep and there listen. The girl spill your beans, brother. The girl spill your beans. The girl talk your secret. So the boss say, oh, if you know what me know, ease up.
Deep down in them throat hole.
Ease up.
You don't see the wall of them a rasshole. No size with the tan if you know what me know. I your girl, no could know what we know. I have husband house when I carry them a show. I'm a been through war. I'm a scars them a show.
Man say me have husband house when I carry them a show, brother. The man say a beast on the out there saw a show when me have husband house, properties, investment. That's the money there, bro. I that's your money for there. In our properties. Husband Oswald never drop me. Keep telling her that shit. I'm gonna think I joke.
Well, no size with the tan if you know what me know. I your girl, no could know what we know. I have husband house when I carry them a show. I'm a been through war. I'm a scars them a show. Be a killer. Bad bitches and be a killer. Fuck up your club, jive gone on me bed. A Louis V man a waking up. The girl them a shaking ya. Money enough like a safe in ya. Top baller, straight winner.
DJ Frass, big up yourself, me G. Big up yourself, me G. Yo, Golly God. What can I say? Golly God is fucking Golly God. And like I mentioned at the start of this, me glad to say we get a video cause you know so the man not really to a drop no video from me like that like him used to. So we appreciate it. You see me? Yeah dog, Golly God. Summer is here, dog. Gonna keep up, dog. Gonna stop boss about a little car and them thing there, brother. Show me some house, dog. That the people them a talk about. Houses. Yeah. Fuck you talk about. Eh? Yo. Big up yourself, Golly God. Big up yourself, Frass. Big up yourself. Big up the hot sexy ladies them in the video. Wanna look marvelous. Yes. Wanna come out. Wanna come well out. Right out. You see me? Golly side. Big up all the Golly side fans. Let me see in the comment section, man. This time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy that one and you want to see more, leave a like for the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. Even though I'm sick, I'm still there. We don't know. I catch you in the next one though. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.